Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Friday, September 12, 2008. FrontPoint Partners has hired Mark Bertagnolli as a portfolio manager to manage a new technology strategy. Bertagnolli joins the company from Andor Capital Management, which is closing next month when its founder, Dan Benton, retires. At FrontPoint, he will be developing a new long-short equity strategy that will focus on global technology. And staying with hedge fund news, RAB Capital has warned investors to remain with its flagship hedge fund for 3 more years or face its closure, a move likely to lead to further heavy losses. The Financial Times reports that the embattled hedge fund manager saw its special situations fund plunge 48% after it wrote down stakes in private companies. And in more hedge fund news, Australia's Platypus Capital Management is prepping a new Asian long-short equity fund. Hedgeweek reports that the Cayman Islands domiciled Platypus Asian Equities Fund, SPC, will trade in the Hong Kong, Japan, South Korea, Taiwan, and Australia markets. The portfolios will have at least 160 large cap and high liquid stocks in the region. And in other hedge fund news, private equity firm Advent International Corp has raised $560 million for its first Japan fund. According to the Wall Street Journal, the Advent has advised Japanese venture funds for 24 years but has yet to close a deal of its own in the country. The firm has 4 or 5 potential deals in the pipeline, according to a spokesperson. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge fund channel online, read the full stories and the latest developments.